Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Becky and I am a fashion and lifestyle blogger. And I post on YouTube whenever I like. I'm aiming at the moment, actually. I'm trying to get back into a routine because this whenever I like thing is just not working. So I'm trying to get back into the routine of posting vlogs on Sundays and then one or two other videos in the week. How's it gonna go? You tell me, to be honest, because you guys probably know by the time this is going live better than I do. But yeah, that's what we're aiming for. Look at my cute bear mug. I love that. Every single opportunity I'm showing it off. I called my grandma the other day, I was like, look at my mug. I was putting on Instagram stories yesterday. Every time Phil like walks past me, I'm like, look, I'm using my mug. I just think it's so cute and it needs to be seen by the entire world. Anyway, back to the point of today's video. I'm saying back to the point of today's video, but I haven't got to the point of today's video, so you're making no sense, Bex. Okay, so recently I was sent the Hair Boss by Lisa Shepherd, a bunch of her collection. So these are steps 1 to 4. And this is the Clear Gloss Shine, which is a semi-permanent shine. So I'm told, I've read online and I've been told that this is like the Olaplex of the high street. So I am very, very excited. So shall we first maybe like look up the prices of these and get an idea? Okay, so I do use Olaplex pretty religiously and I have for a few months now, but it's pricey as hell. So I use number 3 and number 7. I don't remember which one's which. One is like the leave-in bond repairer and you leave it in for like 10 minutes at a time on wet hair, and one is the oil. My laptop is not turning on. It's fully charged. It's been charging all night. Hello? Oh, maybe it just wanted me to speak to it. I keep thinking to myself, I need to insure my laptop, my camera, and my phone because I can't really do my job without all 3 of them. And especially if I want to save money in the long term for like a house, I need to be not paying big expenses like buying a new laptop. I do remember checking the prices and like looking at it online before I agreed to working with the brand, but I just don't remember exactly. I think the most expensive thing in the collection is £15. The most expensive thing they have is £20, and that is a hair mask. And then the glosses are 15. But if they live up to the name of being the Olaplex of the high street kind of thing. So yeah, at the moment, basically I use the Olaplex bond repair once a week, and I use the bonding oil every time that I style my hair. Like anytime I put any heat on it, I put the bond repair on. And this is kind of my hair. It's freshly washed this morning, which I should have probably waited and washed it with this, but whatever. That's kind of, I'm trying to show you it, and this is the best view you're gonna get for now. That is how my hair is looking right now. It's actually like, you know, sometimes when it's too clean and it just won't stay in place, so it keeps falling forward. It's kind of annoying me actually. So I want to say that the oil and the bond repair from Olaplex are about £52 a set. I have had the oil since November. I never used half of it, so I reckon you get about 6 months out of the oil. I finished the bond repair leave-in thing. You know what I mean. I finished that last month, late last month, so I want to say that lasted me like 2 months. So I've had to buy like a new one of that. So I reckon you get like 2 months out of those small bottles. So that's kind of the cost on those. So I reckon like everything I have here costs probably about the same amount as the Olaplex set. We will see how long it lasts, how well it does and stuff. but I just want to kind of like break down the cost at the moment. There is also a scalp scrub here, which is really exciting because a scalp scrub is something else that I use. I use I can never remember what it's called, but it's like in a clear tub with a white lid and the label is blue. I'll put it on the screen. So that I use that one, and that's like £26 for a tub that's like this big. So this is much better value if it works just as well. I do kind of have a blocked nose. I don't know if this will smell of anything. Yeah, kind of. It smells like, actually, I can't really describe it. It smells like a spa. Will this come off? No, this lid doesn't come off. Yeah, it's nice. So this is this scalp scrub you do before the shampoo, and it helps to remove buildup from the scalp and the hairline, helps reduce dandruff, and helps stimulate hair follicles and improve scalp strength. Personally, I love a scalp scrub to I sometimes get like bits of dandruff over here. I love a scalp scrub to really scrub away any bits of dandruff and just make my head feel like extra clean. When I shave, I always exfoliate my whole body, so it feels nice that the scalp can be included. So I do love a scalp scrub just for keeping the hair nice and clean. And I feel like when I use the scalp scrub, like since I started using the scalp scrub like once a week-ish, I usually use it on the same day that I do the leave-in Olaplex and the leave-in washout one. So since that, I definitely don't need to wash my hair as often either. It stays clean for longer. So I'm very excited that there is a scalp scrub here. Then there is the Virgin hair shampoo. So this is step 2. And this is a featherweight gel shampoo designed to cleanse and clarify uncolored or slightly colored hair, adds volume and shine. My hair hasn't been dyed in about, I think, since my 3rd year of university, so 2 or 3 years. This is all just my natural color, so I am in the uncolored category. Again, doesn't really smell of much. Oh, I do believe, by the way, that the whole range is vegan, cruelty-free, blah blah blah, so forgot to mention that. So yeah, that seems like it's just kind of a basic gentle shampoo to keep your hair clean, which more do you want from a shampoo? Then step 3 is the bodybuilding foam conditioner. It's a rinse out foam conditioner that nourishes, hydrates without weighing the hair down. A weightless formula that detangles and adds softness and shine. I'm kind of excited for this. I feel like the idea of a foam conditioner is quite exciting. Quite interesting, so I'm excited to try that. Then a scalp soothing tonic. This helps to improve scalp health and reduce dandruff, which is brilliant. Oh, apparently it has a cooling agent in it. Nice. Okay, so you put this on damp hair and massage in. So yeah, that should be nice as well. I feel like this seems like it's more for it says it's to soothe a dry and itchy scalp, which, especially in the spots where I sometimes get dandruff, I have a very itchy scalp. You probably see me itch it like 5 times a YouTube video. So very excited to see if that will help. And then this is the one that I'm definitely the most excited about. This is a clear shine gloss, and it's a semi-permanent, so it's almost like a dye, but it's gloss. So it has a conditioning milk and a clear gloss. I think they do this in a brunette and a blonde as well if you want like a specific color. So it transforms dull lackluster locks using the clear gloss, a semi-permanent treatment that helps revitalize all hair colors without changing the tone. The result will be a beautifully bright salon fresh shine. So you shampoo your hair, add this, leave it for 20 minutes, and then rinse and condition with this. Okay, that's really interesting. I think that's the one that I'm most like excited for. So we'll be trying that. It says it lasts up to 6 washes, so this is kind of perfect if you want your hair to look extra nice for one specific kind of period. Because I feel like every 6 washes it would be kind of expensive to keep doing this. Given these are £15, 6 washes is what, like 2 weeks-ish? Maybe 3 if you're somebody that doesn't wash their hair as much. So that could get kind of pricey, but for like a special occasion, would definitely be fun. I have actually washed my hair this morning, so I'm not going to be trying these out today. I just wanted to film the sit down bit and kind of talk you through them. So I think that what I'm going to do is, over the next week, maybe 2 weeks, keep trying these out, keep kind of seeing how they go, see how my hair goes, and then I will update you on my thoughts. So I will see you then. Okay, hello. So I'm about to try out the stuff for the first time, so I wanted to kind of show you first. So this is my hair beforehand, and then this is kind of, I wash it every like 2 or 3 days, so this is kind of my grease levels. That's gross. So I'm gonna try out the scalp scrub, the shampoo, the conditioner, and then I think I'll try the tonic after the shower. Yeah, on damp hair. So we will be back for that soon. So I'm gonna go try them out now, and I will check in and let you know how it's going. Okay, so here's a little update. I haven't styled my hair yet because I will need to put some protective oil on, and I wanted to show you it before it has the oil on. So this is after using the scalp scrub, the shampoo, the foaming conditioner, and the tonic. Let me balance this here so you can see a little bit better. So it's definitely got a lot of like volume, like poofiness to it about it at the moment, but it does feel like kind of crunchy, like it's not very soft. I did actually double, oh my hair's falling out now. I did actually double condition it because after I did it the first time it didn't feel very soft, so I did it again to try and soften it. So I'm not so impressed so far with the conditioner, but we'll give it a couple more tries. I did use a lot of it as well, so that's confusing. But the shampoo and the scrub seemed nice. The scrub felt really nice. It felt very scrubby. And my hair does feel like very clean now. So yeah, I'll use it a few more times and then check in. I'm on the floor for a change because I'm currently waiting for Philip because we're going out to pick some stuff up at B&Q. But I wanted to update you. This morning, I don't know if you can see it on the camera. No, not really. My hair is so dandruffy, and I normally only get dandruff if I've gone quite a while between washes, and it's normally near the end. So to have it literally the day after I washed my hair with stuff that is supposed to be good for helping with dandruff, could be a coincidence, but it's not promising. Normally the one thing that really helps me to get rid of dandruff is if I use a scrub, and obviously I used a scrub yesterday, so I'm quite disappointed to see that that's there today. But it could just be that I didn't scrub hard enough, or it could be a coincidence. So we're gonna keep trying it for a bit, but so far I'm not impressed, sorry. Hello, I just thought I would check in about my hair because I have used the hair scrub, the shampoo, the conditioner, and the tonic about 3 or 4 times now. My hair is a mess. Okay, so I haven't been using much heat on my hair recently, so if I'm not shooting or whatever, or going out, well, nobody's going out at the moment, I've been very much just kind of leaving it to dry itself and letting it do its own thing. So that's what is going on here. Now, I must say, I'm not really in love. I feel like the shampoo is doing a pretty good job. Like, my hair doesn't seem to need washing any more often, and it does feel pretty clean. I last washed my hair last night, but I am sat like right next to the window. So yeah, my roots are not getting very greasy very quickly, but I am currently getting like more dandruff than ever. So I don't know if that's some kind of reaction, like maybe there's a chemical in the shampoo that like my scalp personally doesn't get along with very well, or if it's because I've stopped using the scrub that I normally use that did seem to help, and this scrub isn't helping as much. Not really sure. I am finding that at first I really didn't like the conditioner. I just felt as my hair felt like I hadn't used any conditioner at all. But the more I have used it, the more, sorry, just checking the radiator's not on. The more I've used it, the more I feel like the conditioner isn't the best I've ever tried, but it's not bad. Like, I think, don't know, maybe I was doing something wrong at first, but it seems to be working okay now. My hair is not particularly soft, but it doesn't feel like crunchy anymore. So there's that. It is actually Friday today, so I do think that I am gonna try tonight and have a bit of a pamper night. So what I thought is that I would try the semi-permanent gloss thingy. I'm gonna try that tonight, so maybe I'll check in tomorrow and let you guys know how that is doing. And then I will have tried everything and I'll have kind of a bit more of an opinion on all of the things to share with you guys. Okay, so I've just got out of the shower from doing the gloss treatment and dried my hair. I don't know. I feel like nothing much has changed, to be honest. It does look a little shinier, but it feels still just really bad. It feels quite like it needs a good condition, and I don't know, the more I look at it, the more I do think it's shiny, but it just feels in a really poor condition. And you know, normally when you do any kind of dye, when you use like the conditioner that comes with it, your hair feels like the best it's ever felt in your life. I don't know, I feel like it looks kind of, it does look kind of shiny, but it feels greasy at the top, and at the bottom it just feels like it needs a really good condition. So unfortunately, I do think this was one of the things that I was the most looking forward to, and unfortunately I do feel like I'm disappointed again. I feel like I've just spent half an hour, 40 minutes or so, however long it took me to do that, doing that for no reason, because it doesn't really feel any different. And I don't know, maybe my hair just doesn't get along with the collection, but overall I think the only thing that I really liked was the shampoo. I didn't really seem to get along with any of the rest of it. The scrub wasn't too bad, but again, like, there was something in this, I don't know what it was, maybe it was even the shampoo, to be honest. There was something that my scalp is not responding very well to, because my hair is feeling kind of greasy a lot and I'm getting a lot of dandruff still. So I just don't feel like this is the right collection for me. It just doesn't really feel like it's working very well for me. So I think that I'm gonna stop using it and go back to my normal hair care, because it's been about 2 weeks that I've been trying this hair care now, and yeah, it's been a rough 2 weeks for my hair, I think, and it's been a rough 2 weeks trying to deal with my hair. So yeah, I really wanted to love these, and it would have been great for my wallet. It would have been great to be able to share something that was like so affordable, it was so good, but sorry, just, it's not for me. It does seem to get really great reviews though, so maybe it's just me, but yeah, it's definitely not the one for me, basically. So that's that. I'm gonna leave the video there because I think it's got pretty long now. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please do let me know if you liked the video and you want to see more kind of reviews like this. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hopefully I will see you all next time. Bye.